TJ, bro? Where's TJ at? What the fuck? 635?
What are you doing here?
What the fuck is that? 635? It went down in power? I thought it was making 900.
Man, it broke the dyno, the belt slipped off, coupler came off. We're gonna get it right. Just be patient. It's gonna come up. We got another 150 horsepower in there.
I think this is what we need right here, bro. Can we throw some of this in there? I think this was gonna turn it up. Ooh.
What y'all doing here?
Man, we just came to see what kind of numbers we're doing now after this oil change that we got.
Yeah, I gotta fix the dyno and then we're gonna continue tuning.
You're supposed to be fixing my car, not the dyno.
Your
not a
car,
dyno, bro?
It's okay. I'll send you the bill for the dyno too.
Just imagine what it's like driving my M3, baby. Alright, man, we're gonna stop bullshitting. We're gonna get the first run in, so let's see what kind of numbers we actually do. Round one. Smells like oil or some shit, huh? We got the numbers for map 3. Shit is getting serious, bro. 1057. I can't even speak. 1057 to the wheel, and this is on map 3 out of 5. We're just getting warmed up, baby. And look, hold on, huh?
We're not turning it up.
We're gonna turn it up more. Look at this. Torque 1000. You know what I'm saying? We're about to do the map 4 out of 5 run. I don't trust this motherfucker, so
Put your seatbelt on.
Round
yeah, he already broke it.
We got a boost leak.
Huh?
We got a boost leak.
God damn, bro. Everything fucking wrong with this shit. And the problem is, he's always talking on the phone with his little girlfriend.
I'm with your tuner, bro. You want to make it faster or not?
Hey, the turbo, we can't turn it up.
And then the
And just
compressed
fuck that
air
pipe?
goes where?
Huh?
The compressed air goes where?
Out. This is the best one you can get, but why does this look different than that? No, this one's like missing a piece, no?
That's our problem.
Hmm?
That's our problem.
You sure? Because I think I dropped something. Maybe I need to stay away from the car, man.
Oh my God, I see it. It went in a dyno.
They just keep getting worse, bro. I wasn't gonna tell him, but I had to, man. I don't want the whole thing to get fucked up because of that, so I had to be honest.
A few moments later.
This guy just blew up my freaking car, bro. Look at this shit.
I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened.
Finally, the M3 is fixed. Shout out TJ. He went ahead and dropped it off to my house. But I want to test it now. And there's one person that's going to be perfect for that. It's my mother-in-law. She's never been in a fast car, so let's go get her.
Baba.
Hey! And everybody disappeared when the camera showed up.
Baba.
Hey, Baba. Hey. Hey, so, you know, I brought the M3 back. Saying hi to the camera. She's never been on camera. She's a little shy. I tell her she looked pretty, man. Hey, you want to go for a spin in the M3? No? What do you think, Gigi? You think she can handle it?
I think she's gonna get scared.
She's doubting me.
Maybe.
You know what? I have an idea. After we go for a spin, if you keep a straight face, we'll go to Ross. And we'll do a bunch of shopping. You want me to get you your shoes? Yeah, let's go. See, she's ready.
She's gonna
Oh,
be
you
so
gotta-
serious. So she can get a Ross trip.
Let's go. She said she's jealous or what? Hey man, that's all it took to convince her, so we're gonna go do it and see. Alright guys, so my cameraman's always dodging riding the M3. He's over there setting up the camera to take my mother-in-law on a spin. But how about we take him along with us too? I know he's not gonna want to, and y'all about to see this. He's probably gonna make a bunch of excuses, but we're gonna make that happen. So let's go. Hey, she's ready to go, man. She's ready for that Ross trip.
All right, bro. I'll be waiting right here, bro.
No. You're gonna get in with us too.
Nah, bro. No.
I know you've been ducking for a while, man.
No,
That's why I got this.
Nah.
Got $100 for you, man, if you keep a straight face. Come on, let's go.
You know what? All right.
You want me to go full?
No, halfway.
What's the fastest car you ever been in?
Oh, Memo's gone.
Oh, the Scat Pack.
Yeah,
This one just a little bit faster.
a little.
Remember? Yeah.
If Memo's car,
No, you'll see.
I don't
It's not
think
too fast.
a little fast.
What's the fastest car you've been in?
Bro, my launcher.
You already can't keep a straight face. I didn't even do a pull yet.
Cerrar los ojos. No.
How was
That
that?
was good.
Easy? Why are you looking outside the window? Did you get that?
I closed my eyes.
She closed her eyes and she looked outside the window. You can do another baby pool. Not bad, huh? So both of y'all lost already.
We're done, right?
Huh?
We're done, right?
Yeah, pretty much. We're gonna do one more and that's it. I have to prep y'all before we go all the way. How was that? Is that good?
This car makes me nauseous, bro.
Yeah, now we're gonna switch back to comfort mode. Both of y'all lost already. How was that? Fast? Well, not too bad.
Not too bad.
Oh man. Woo-wee. That was a fun little ride.
Where's my Ross trip?
I think you lost, but we'll watch I'll watch the footage tomorrow. We'll watch the footage. Y'all let me know in the comments. Did she win that Ross trip or not? And if you did, we'll go big for her.
Oh, no.
Bye, thank you. She still thinks she won the Ross trip, bro. There ain't no way. And you didn't win no $100, bro. So
Bro,
don't even think
I
about
didn't
it.
react, bro.
Don't even think about asking me for $100 bucks, bro, because
Man.
you lost. I know that. I saw the whole camera just go
Man, bro.
crazy behind me.
Bro, I ain't had no seatbelt in the back.
Man, don't blame it on the seatbelt. You couldn't sit there and hold. You're supposed to be the cameraman, bro.
All right, bet.
Hey, just like that, man. We had a little fun riding the car. I love it, honestly. The car drives amazing, and it's quick. So I can't wait to, do more fun stuff with it. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all want to see, and we'll do all kinds of crazy shit just like that. We out. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you leave a comment for your boy, man. Share this video, and just like that, we out. Too easy.